Hello, it's Marco from DPlugins. Today I want to show you how to install multiple plugins from Google Drive with DevKit. The first thing, we need to open the Google console. You can just click it here and it's going to open directly for it. First, we need to enable the Google Drive API. So click here, enable. If you just type Drive, is going to be the second one, Google Drive API. This is by the default disabled, so just enable it. It's going to take a second for it. Perfect. Then go to the credentials and just create the credential. We need the API. Perfect. Let's copy it, paste it, and you're done. Keep in mind that once you create one, you can save it somewhere and you can reuse it on every website. After that, we need on the Google Drive to create a folder. Let's just upload a couple of plugins. Perfect. After that, we need to share the folder, and the folder needs to be public, so anyone with the link should access it. Copy the link, paste it, fetch the plugins, and you can see we have those 3 plugins, and you can choose if you want to install all of them or just selected. We, for this purpose, just installed one. And let's go to the plugins. Perfect. And then you can see that we have our lazy load for YouTube. So you can see how easy you can install the multiple plugins. Please, in the comments, leave what you think about it. Subscribe so you can get more notifications of our features. And enjoy your day. Bye.